Hi friends, let's take a look at an algebra challenge today. So we have 4 raised to the 800th power and divided by 8 raised to the 400th power. And we are given that it equals 2 raised to the power of n. And we want to find the value of n. So it's actually a hint that they tell us this. So we want to simplify our expressions in terms of powers of 2, okay? So let's take a look. We have 4, right? What is 4 in terms of powers of 2? We can write it as 2 times 2. That is 2 squared. And one way of writing 2 times 2 is to write 2 raised to the power of 2. So let's do the same for 8. 8 is just what? It's 4 times 2, but we know 4 is 2 raised to the power of 2, so we can write 2 raised to the power of 2 times 2. And there is an index law that says if we have x raised to the power of a multiplied by x raised to the power of b, that is the same as x raised to the power of a plus b, okay? So here, when we have the 2 here, that is just 2 raised to the power of 1, it's just 2 by itself, so that is just 2, 2 plus 1, and that is 2 cubed. And indeed, 2 times 2 times 2 is 8. So now that we have these, let's put them into our fraction. So we have 2 raised to the power of 2, and the power was 800. And we divide that by 2 raised to the power of 3, and the power is 400. That's very good. Now we have another index law that we can use. That is, if you have a power tower like a raised to the power of b, the whole thing bracket, and then raised to the power of c, we can simply rewrite it as a raised to the power of b times c. So in our question, 2 here is a, okay? And then another 2 that is just b, okay? And b, and then 800 is our c, okay? So for the fraction, we have to multiply 2 by 800 on the power. So 2 times 800, okay? And divide. Now we do the same thing for the bottom. So 2, 3 times 400. So let's keep writing it. So what is 2 times 800? Well, 2 times 8 is 16. So we add those two zeros. That is 1,600. So 2 raised to the power of 1,600 divided by, well, 3 times 4. We know it to be 12,000. I mean 1,200, 1,200. So 1200. So now there's another rule I hope you remember from high school. That is when you divide powers, you subtract them, okay? So in general, for x, let's say, raised to the power of a divided by x raised to the power of b, that is the same as x, and the power is just a minus b. So in our case, a is 1,600 and b is 1,200. Okay, so we write out our final answer. That is 2 raised to the power of 1,600 minus 1,200. Well, that is just 400. So we have simplified this, complicated looking expression into, what is it? Into this, right? So what is n? Well, n is just 400. And that's our answer, except I have a challenge for you today. So instead of 4 raised to 8 power 800, we now have 27 raised to the power of 900, and then 9 raised to the power of 2700 power. That is a bit more complicated, and the hint is that you can reduce it to 3, but 3 raised to a power of n, and I want you to tell me what n is in the comments. So that's it for today. I hope you like this video. Please comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.